Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of this month's printables that are included in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month's paper pack is titled French Country Romance and features a set of beautiful printable papers with a romantic blue colour theme. Using the bonus Junk Journal Kit template set that's included with this year's membership, you can quickly and easily create pages as well as embellishments such as cards, envelopes and more in no time at all. The paper pack includes 60 papers in vertical format, 30 picture pages that can be used for storytelling, as well as 30 coordinating pages that are ideal to embellish. All of these papers are perfect to create one large junk journal or several smaller junk journals. There is also an optional 32-page add-on paper pack that includes 12 pages of printable fussy cuts and 20 papers in horizontal format. The fussy cuts include coordinating images in various sizes, together with word scraps that are perfect to embellish the pages of your junk journals. The horizontal papers include 10 picture pages and 10 coordinating papers. If you're already a member of the Printables Club, I hope you enjoy this month's printables. And if you're not yet a member, you can find a link to the Printables Club in the description below this video.